All right, quick Jack update. You can see our boy's finishing up the rest of his third meal, which is pretty impressive, considering he wasn't eating much the last, well, a week ago he wasn't. The last few days he's been eating his butt off. But he just took his medicine and he just took some Benadryl. You can see that real bad abscess on his face is actually healing a lot, and it's not pussing anymore. We covered him in Vetricin. Yeah, sprayed the heck out of him, which is supposed to be good for staph infections. And I think he's going to be doing pretty good. I think he's on the road to recovery. You can see he's itching though, so we got to cover him in the comfy cone of shame here shortly. But yeah, Spunky Brewster, have we had a pretty good day or what?
Yeah.
We have, indeed.
Indeed.
He got a great bath. He shouldn't be itching. I'm just going to grab that foot. And no. But he's doing well all in all. I'm kind of stoked about his progress, and his bath was really, really good. We got a whole ton of bad skin off of him, a whole ton of bad skin. So I think he's on the road to recovery, and certainly his attitude is really good today. So all positive stuff. Over and out.